long live.
Dipramata, long live.
Long live, long live.
Ubagra, long live.
Long live, long live.
Ubagra, long live.
Long live, long live.
YTF, long live.
Long live, long live.
DISF, long live.
Long live, long live.
DISF, long live.
Long live, long live.
DWF, long live.
Long live, long live.
Our language, our right.
About 20 places. Haitoi pray 20 jaga no. Eki time, eki samay. Tabok sara triplao. Aboka somani. Tabok tulaytong. Ke bigoto pray 14 বছর Borok Roman script by পরীক্ষারি বাংলা বরিও Roman script বরি ini atom sabarau problems nam ka rajya sarkar abo CBSE ni bara approve riya CBSE ba all Indian ise all Indian ni oro Tripura ni ini kokboro ni boy Roman script bara kuno oro judiciary kroi কিন্তু bara o সমস্যা সালাম ka তিনি Borok no deprive kainani ba jong বিগত 55 বছর kokborok আন্দোলন খাই তিনি নগেন্দ্র মতের অক্রে খাবার স্টুডেন্ট 1967 হইতে जों kokborok খাইতেই ন তিনি ওকো খানাং খাই 50 বছর কানাই দারচয় ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম স্কুল আবো খানাং থানায় আর 1974 जों kokborok da বিখাই খা রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট বরাউরিয়া ইংলিশ মিডিয়াম মা খাই খাম প্রায় 27 খান জায়গাবো जों টিটিএলআইপি খুলগৈ kokborok no जों रोमान स्क्रिप्ट इंग्लिश बाय मा खायै तिनि हजार तिनि चराइरो इंग्लिश तिनि मा साव खानांखे 50 বছর কানাই দার চলে आं थांनाय खाना आबो ताबो राज्य सरकार যদি रोमान स्क्रिप्ट खाय बृहत्तर आंदोलन होनाय कुनो के ताल मानैया বিগত 14 বছর ত্রিপুরা চলে ন তো কিন্তু আচম সাতামই বড় বক্তা বনিবই जों token of our grievances in 20 different places in all over the state. Students are organizing. The students' president is the convener of our committee. I remain member of the committee only. So the students have been authorized to launch all this movement all over the state. So we all support him because we want Roman script to be used for Borok language. Why they should deny it? They have no right to learn our mother tongue. So we are equally sharing, participating our grievances through blocking all the roads, all the important roads all over the state. In different 20 places, our blockage is going on. So we're grateful, the media, learned medias, you people know how to do it. So in your own way, very expertly, very skillfully, you have to do it so that it is attracted by the international, national and local level also. Because international level we have spoken in different forums of the world, even in the United Nations Forum in Geneva also we have spoken about the mother tongue. And the world bodies are very curious. They are happy that Borok is language of the state in Tripura, that we are demanding our mother tongue. World Constitution, World Court, Judicial of the world, and the Supreme Court of India, they have already given their verdict that every individual, Borok including other languages also, we have right to speak, to use our mother tongue. So today, we're happy for all these people who have come in support of the demand. So we wish the state government will take appropriate step at earliest possible so that we can lift this inconvenience of the people. We don't want to be blocked. Why we should block the road? Because we have no other option. We have to do it just to expose our grievances through democratic way. This is a kind of democracy. We don't like to give problem to the security also and to the public as well. So our own organization also, we like to achieve very peacefully. So we wish the state government will take appropriate step by notification in the Gazette of the state, so that they can not next time say that central CBSE had not approved this, that. So they will have to have on written agreement to them. If they want, the road should be lifted. Thank you. Hambai, Kam Krum, Jotono.